This assessment asks us to draw the arrow pushing mechanism to show how the products on the right are formed from the reactants on the left. It gives us the hint that two arrows should be shown in this reaction. By comparing what we start with, and I've redrawn it here, we have a carbon with a pi bond and two hydrogens attached to it. This carbon becomes carbon with three hydrogens attached in the product. Additionally, we have H3O plus that loses a proton to become H2O. And so our arrow pushing mechanism must account for the fact that we're going to add a new hydrogen to this carbon while breaking this OH bond. The last thing we'll note is what's happening with this carbon here. Here it's neutral. In the product, it now has a positive charge. And so what that implies is that this carbon is going to have electrons taken away from it as a result of this reaction. And so summarizing that with an arrow pushing mechanism, we can show the pi electrons grabbing the proton and causing this OH bond to break with the electrons going on to oxygen. In essence, this is an acid-base reaction where our carbon-carbon double bond, or our alkene, is the base and H3O plus is our acid.